In this video we will learn how to add announcement in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the organization module on top navigation bar. Click on announcement form. Click on add new announcement button. Enter the announcement title and select the type. Define the start-end date of visibility of announcement on dashboard tile. Select the filter criteria to show the announcement. Select either attachment or URL is required to show with announcement. Enter details and click on Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted. The new policy will show to selected employees on dashboard tile.